Hi, so this is Paul Reyes and today I'm gonna change my oil for my Suzuki 29 well, Suzuki Gixxer. I'm gonna need ratchet, oil filter, oil, and basically the oil funnel. So we're gonna unscrew this for the drain, then unscrew this one for the filter, then put the oil here. So that's basically it. Nang walang ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3, yeah.
Okay. Si Pili, okay? Pamunas ng helmet. Wait lang.
Cute! Come on! Sabayan natin. Hello!
Downshift. Hintay muna tayo ng mga motor.